So this is what happens, I guess, when you get caught standing around with nothing better to do than feeding the horses. You get chores. And these little cutie pies right over here, and right over here, some more cutie pies, are all keeping me company while I burn down the barn. And I would just like to say that it's nice to have a good excuse for a hot flash. Good grief. What are you looking at? You brought that to sit on, right? That's what you're thinking, right?
Nope. Are we gonna burn it?
When baby brother joins in, things have a way of getting out of hand. Totally out of hand.
Run for the hills, Dudley.
Yikes. We'll check back with this later. Rusty, this is officially getting out of control. I think we should stand back. Or either that or go get another big ass huge thing and put it on. How about we do? Yikes. Did you bring the marshmallows?
Oh, doughboys.
Yeah.
We wouldn't even get close enough. We need long holes. It's hot right here.
Yeah, I'm hot. Panicked wildlife in the background. I don't know what the hell to make of this. Gee, from here it looks really big. It's funny, I was standing right there and I knew it was big, but from here?
It's huge.
It's huge.
Yeah, it needs to get down inside there.
Alright. Here's your job well done.
Cheers.
Mm.